Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.